guys, welcome to another video. Today we're playing the mega fun obby. So yeah, let's start. I'm playing Roblox by the way. Oh. Okay. These are bouncy. That is cool. Okay. Fun! Oh my god. Okay. Now please. Oh god, I'm on stage 137. But why not record a video on it? I'm really ill right now, so if I sound weird. So yeah. Right, it says walk. I'm scared if it's like it's gonna move or something. Oh, okay, that's easy. Just drinking a drink. This is easy, I guess. Oh my god! Why did I say it was easy? Darn it! I want to do a Musical.ly or TikTok, I guess. I have to do this video though. Should I? I won't let anyone down. I haven't done a video in so long except that purple short collar trading temps. Well, a Roblox video. Let's say that. Oh yeah, I was stage 140. My sister was past me. She was on stage 73. I was on stage 3. Now I'm on stage 140. That's good. I'm higher than her. She's gonna moan, but oh well. I am ill, but I'm gonna do a video just so you know. Why not? Because I like making videos. Don't mind if I'm ill or not. Especially if I'm doing it for YouTube. What? Oh, okay. I really didn't get that one. Oh, I could just run across this one, right? Oh, I'm still not past my sister. No. I remember she struggled on this one. Oh my god. Let me skip one. There we go. And that one. Skip. Skip. Ah! Sorry. Do you know what they should do? Block it up, because you can skip them a lot. Go. It's actually really tricky. Calm down. Darn it! Oh, I wouldn't blame my sister. This one seems so easy, but it's really not. I thought it was. I had to help my sister on this, so how can I not do it for myself? There we go. What's this? Oh, you can't touch the red. This is kind of easy, to be fair. May look tricky, but it's really not. Easier than you think. Guys, you should play this. It's called the Mega Fun Obby on Roblox. Oh my god. I'm getting really struggling. I don't have enough coins to buy a skip. It's 80 coins for one skip. It's 160 for another. Oh my god! Guys, just to let you know, this one's really tricky. I'll pause. I'll pause. Oh my god. Guys, I got past it. Finally. Just gotta go up this long ladder. Oh, my hands up in the air outside. Say, ayo, gonna let go. Yeah, I'll pause, you know. So, I got up. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, that's easy. Okay, that was easy. Now for this one. Jeez. Yeah, I'm gonna pause on a couple stages because, you know, yeah, I want to record for a long time. Oh my god, I forgot I was recording. Sorry. Yeah. My bad. Guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.